All right, hello everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and today I just wanted to give you a little demonstration of the Merit's Pioneer 10 mobility scooter. This is a heavy-duty mobility scooter. It's great for off-road. It's very stable, very comfortable, super safe, and it has a lot of great features about it. I'm going to take you on a little ride, show you what it's like to use it on grass. It's great for indoors and out. It does have big tires with suspension, and it's pretty affordable too, considering its weight capacity and power. We're going to go ahead and put the specs on the screen here for just a moment. You can feel free to pause and go back at any time to review the specifications before we get started with our test driving. Just like most mobility scooters, it also has anti-tip wheels and an electromagnetic brake lever, which you'll have to disengage if you want to push the scooter manually. It does have a universal 1-inch hitch receiver port, which you can use for a cane holder, rear basket, and many other accessories. You can also recline the seat, and it also has height adjustment knobs here for the armrest height, as well as a width adjustment knob to adjust the width of the armrests. You can also tilt the tiller forward and back using this lever right here. So if you wanted to tilt it forward or tilt it back, you just use that lever and the handlebar assembly will tilt forward or back. It has a nice bumper on the front, nice headlight, comes with a basket, turn signals. Also, it does have a manual handbrake here, which you can use to assist with the electromagnetic brakes. But again, it does have automatic brakes, which are electromagnetic, so you don't have to worry about braking. This is just to support you if you need to brake a little faster than the electromagnetic brakes do. There's a charging port here, hazard light switch, big old turn signals on it, huge basket, ignition. You've got your speed control knob here. You can go fast if you move it all the way to the right counterclockwise, or slow if you go to the turtle, or the tortoise rather. Standard battery voltage meter, and you've got a horn, a light switch, and the turn signal switch there. It does have a single-handed use ambidextrous lever system, so you only need one hand to move it forward or backwards. In fact, you could just use one finger. So with that being said, I'm going to take it on a little ride, and I'm going to have our famous Dustin from Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out his channel too for more exclusive ride-along content. But I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate what it's like to ride this off-road. Dustin?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I'll tell you, it's great off-road.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a couple of little turns here. I do have it on the slowest mode, so I'm going to turn the speed up a little bit and just start to turn around here. As you can see, it's handling pretty well. Even if I go up the incline, I can handle it pretty well. Traversing from flat ground to grass is no problem. Gonna go ahead and turn around here, get on some more grass. It seems to be handling it very, very well. We go ahead and do a U-turn around Dustin here so you can get the sign of the front of the building. We're at Merit's Health USA. Great manufacturing partner to work with. They take care of our customers, provide excellent warranty support, and they make really, really great products. I'm surprised at the incline rating. Even on grass, it's going up this incline very, very well. So just to give you a little demonstration here, the tiller adjust feature that I was telling you about, now you can see me using it in action here. It's pretty nice. You can also adjust the seat depth. Right now the basket, or I'm sorry, the cane holder's on, so you can't really slide it back too much, but you can actually slide it back and rotate the seat 360 degrees. The hand armrests do flip up, and they are removable completely. You do have an adjustable height on the headrest as well, just like a car seat. There's a little knob that you push there. We do have a separate video that shows you how to change the batteries, which are inside here, and for the most part, that's pretty much going to do it. If you want to learn more about this product, visit our website, mobilitydirect.com. Don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We give away scooters every 6 months, and all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Sergio. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.